Hey, what's that flash on my screen?
Wait, I see the same thing on mine.
Aliens have created an evil AI. It sends a secret code to tablets. Whoever taps the game link gets trapped inside.
Oh no! The game took them!
We have to bring them back.
Before the signal takes all kids.
I'll try to block the signal.
I'll shield us with this.
Let's jam the signal code together.
Block the signal! Block the signal! I was stuck inside the game!
It looked fun, but I couldn't escape.
Games are fun, but real life with friends is the best adventure.
Oh no! Not again!
No!
VRAcademi. Empowered minds shaping tomorrow.